Hey, what's up? What's up? You're tuned in to Katie Talk One-on-One. Big shout out to Hollywood Unlocked with Jason Lee. I just wanted to bring this video right quick. He ended up dropping this a few minutes ago. And it's actually about a woman that was flying and she actually hit the flight attendant over a dispute about wearing her seatbelt. I'm going to let you guys listen to this. Well, this situation looked like it got pretty much out of hand. The man that's standing in between them, I think he should have stood up in between them long before the passenger hit that flight attendant. What do you guys think about this situation? Drop your comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and please share out this situation. What do you guys think about this? I'm signing out. Katie Talk One-on-One.